Hello and welcome. Tally is one of the popular accounting software in India. Also, in some foreign countries use Tally widely. Tally is popular due to its user friendliness and its wide range of reporting system. Today we are going to learn how to use this accounting software, an extreme beginner guide. Here I am using Tally ERP9 to explain things. Tally older version has almost similar style of usage. We can start. Open Tally ERP9 by double clicking on the icon in the desktop. This is the screen appear when you open Tally for the first time. The button displayed at the top is called horizontal button bar, and in the main area of Tally software on the top right you can see a multiplication mark. This is the close button, and at the right side you can see another button panel called right button panel. At the bottom right a calculator, and the bottom left info panel, and below of all a taskbar. Now in horizontal button bar there are 10 buttons, some are active and some are not, but these buttons will remain same on all screens in Tally. Print, export, email, upload, these buttons will active in relative screens. Below there is a wide area called main area of Tally software. This main area is divided into two. One is left hand side area. Here Tally provides information on current period, current date, list of selected companies, name of company, and date of last entry. On the right hand side area where Tally menu exists, here we are in company info menu. Now let's see how the front screen appear after creating a company. Company creation we have explained in previous tutorial. After creating a company, when you open Tally, the window will look like this. On the left hand side of the main area you can see some informations. Current period. To change this period, either click on it or press Alt F2 to come back. Close this button. Use Alt F2 to change the period. Current date is here. To change the current date, click on it or use a shortcut key. Now under list of company you can see all selected companies, and its right hand side date of last voucher entered. The active company will be in bold face here. To switch over another company, click on it or use F1. Now about menu on the right hand side. Now we are in gateway of Tally. Inside the menu you can see four main headings: masters, transactions, utilities, reports. Under master there are three menus from which we can create masters, and under transactions there are two menus. You can enter transaction using it, and third one are some utilities like data management and banking related function. This is nothing related to accounts, but very useful. And finally the reports, the ultimate benefit of data entry. Here we can see hundreds of reports. Now moving through menu, the current active menu is accounting voucher, as it shows with a gray background. To move from one menu to another, use up and down arrow key. Up arrow key, down arrow key. To go inside the menu, press enter after selecting the desired menu. Or you can use hotkey and selecting menu, a letter with red color visible. A for accounts info, I for inventory info, K for quick setup, V for accounting vouchers, T for inventory vouchers. This letter is called hotkey. To go to accounts info menu, press A from your keyboard. Now we are inside the accounts info menu. To come back, press escape button from your keyboard or click on close button. Now the right button panel, you can see so many buttons here. This button changes in accordance with the different voucher screen, like this changes, and in balance sheet button changes like this. Prior to a button name, there is a shortcut key like F1, F2, F3, etc. Some buttons are underlined with single line. This means use Alt key along with that function key. To activate period, use Alt F2. And some shortcut key has double underline, like this. To activate this, use Control along with that function key. If you are not using shortcut key, just click on the button to activate it, like this. Now info panel. Info panel shows the product, version, license and configuration details. And at the right hand side there is a calculator. To activate it, just click on it or use shortcut key Control N. To move between main area and calculator, use Control M and Control N. We can hide the info panel by clicking on the close button provided at the right hand side. To display it again, click on the up arrow key. Finally, taskbar. It displays the software developer company name, Tally Solutions Private Limited, current date, current time, and in the left hand side the menu path. Hope you get a basic idea about how to use Tally. Thanks for watching.